This is editing help. This video was made ages ago, interviewing GamerKid, so just enjoy. Why did you start YouTube?
Alright, so basically I've seen many people just trying to entertain people, and I'm pretty inspired.
Cool.
Yep, that's it. One sec, hold on. The whole interview is a mess. I just got called.
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry. Is it the next question? Right, so, when did you start playing Gorilla Tag?
Oh no, I think random would know this. I think it's like December 2022. I think that's when I got my VR at least, so it's probably around then, if not January.
Cool. Why did you start playing Gorilla Tag?
I've seen people play it and then a random told me to play it, forcing me.
Okay. Also, don't ask why my name's Freddy, it won't change.
Pretty fast there.
Yes. That's what I was trolling. Right, anyway, need to think of a question. When did you find Random and the Pants Man? Oh well.
What, in real life?
Well.
I've known Random since I was 2 years old.
Okay. What about
Pants Man since I was well, it's Britain, so I would say year old.
Okay.
I don't know what that means.
that will be all the questions for today, because I can't think of any other ones. Goodbye, everybody.